Hey gang, Poppy here. This is Poppy's workshop, and this is what we're working with and on in this episode. Hey. If you've been following me, you know I just recently got this baby. Been wanting it 20 years. Need a rip fence. Don't want to buy a rip fence. Don't need to buy a rip fence. I own a machine shop. Yeah, my lathe and milling machine are shear line. This is my bandsaw. But still, it's a machine shop. Don't disrespect because it's small machines, small parts. Anyway. This piece of aluminum was going to be my rip fence. I figured I got these two C-clamps in just the right size, exactly the right size. An inch too short. Well, we'll just push these all the way on, see if it'll work. Maybe not. Probably not. Well, maybe. If I mill this out. It'll still be too short. It'll be it'd be an abortion. Now, that brings us to this piece of an old dresser. I had to take apart long ago. This piece was too good to break up and go in the garbage. Just so my metrology's right, I got it all the way over here. Over here. Over here, camera. Here, camera. Here, camera. Anyway, I got it on the edge, so it's nice and square. Mark it for length when I cut it. Okay. Now, I made my rough cut. Now, where did I put? Right here, under the wood. Now I got a rip fence. Peach wood. Move the blade support up just a little bit. Make sure I can get through. Splice them together. A nice dining table for Barbie's mountain cabin. Hey, it's wood. Wood bends. I'm gonna get past that rib. Obviously not perfect, but for 2 C-clamps I already had and a piece of wood I salvaged out of an old dresser, 5 minutes work. It took me 5 minutes to set up to do this. Ow! Let's visit our miter cutting attachment. Swing this baby to swing this baby to 45 degrees. Now, this piece of aluminum that was too short for a rip fence is long enough. What if I swing it all the way over here to 90? You gotta be kidding me. No. Gets and shiggles 70 degrees. It's long enough. Well, it's obvious if I'm going to be cutting a 75-degree angle, I'll probably be shooting for the reciprocal cut 15. Flip it over. Yeah. But for 45 degrees. Oh yeah. Yeah. Just thought of that. Come on, baby. Back to 0. Oh, trust. You gotta trust something. If you don't trust anything, you go nuts because you'll be using gauge blocks to measure toothpicks. See, I can attach this here. You got a channel. So now when I go to cut a piece of, I'll say, copper tubing, and when I get metal cutting blade, right? You can get metal cutting blade. When I cut a piece of copper tubing, hey, I got a channel. Screw this here, clamp it in the channel. Yeah. Thank you for watching. This has been Poppy's Workshop, miscellaneous projects with a small table saw. Small bandsaw.